Welcome back to Nikhil the Coding Cat. So today I'm gonna show you how to install ISO file on a USB drive like this. So if you have a pen drive which have a zero storage, use it now for a ISO file. So let me show how to install a ISO file on the pen drive. So first of all, take your pen drive. You may buy many objects in the online. You no need to buy an ISO file online. You can easily download through a web browser on your computer or a phone if you have an OTG cable. So let me show you how to install ISO file through your computer. So now let me show you how to install ISO file on your computer. So first of all, connect your USB, which is free of storage, and then go to your Internet Explorer or anything where you can download apps. So now I'm using Microsoft Edge. So click Windows 10 ISO file download. So let it load. When I click it, Windows 10 ISO file download. After searching it, Windows 10 ISO file download, you can open the Microsoft's official website. So let me show you. Yeah, it's loading. Yep. Over there, you can watch a first one, which is Microsoft's official site, which is safe to download. So you can download through the Microsoft's official site, which is in the top of the page. Okay, let me open it. Yeah. Yeah. Over here, you can click on update now for updating your PC, or for downloading tool, you can click on download tool. And let me see any other options. No other options other than downloading the ISO file, which is installation media. So let's click on download tool now. Click on download tool now. So the download tool is helpful for creating an installation media, like you can use it in USB or DVD, or you can use it as an ISO file, so to install Windows 10 on a different PC. So you can borrow your friend's PC to download this ISO file, and then click download tool now to download it on your friend's PC. Yeah, it's downloading. Yeah, that's enough. After completion of downloading the installation media, you can click it and copy to the USB drive you have added. And I actually added this last year to my USB, so I'm not gonna add it. If you are going to try adding it, you can just copy to this place. Yeah, let me show you the same. Here, when you are going to set up your PC, then after opening the ESD USB drive, you can double click on the setup option, so you'll be able to install the Windows 10. So that's what I've shown you in the Windows 10 recovery, and this is gonna be in the playlist of Windows 10 recovery. And if you're gonna do many things using this ISO file, you can watch the Windows 10 recovery videos where you can use ISO file for recovering your PC, and you can also use it as a setup item for Windows 10, or your PC has stuck in Windows 7 or Windows 8.1. You can install by using this ISO file, and you can do many things with using this ISO file. So if you have this ISO file, you can easily install Windows 10 on your supported PC. I do not recommend installing Windows 10 on an unsupported PC, which may give many system complaints and many things. So you shouldn't do those kind of work. So and that's all for today. Bye, friends.